Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious buttermilk cupcakes, step by step. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. You'll need to sift together 190 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then, add 180 grams of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give everything a good whisk to ensure it's perfectly combined and ready for the wet ingredients. Now let's get our wet ingredients ready. In a separate bowl, whisk together 120 milliliters of buttermilk, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Once that's done, slowly incorporate the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix gently until everything is just combined. Remember, overmixing can make your cupcakes tough, so stop as soon as you see no more dry streaks. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners, then carefully fill each liner about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. Make sure your oven is preheated to 175 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake these beauties for approximately 18 to 20 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out perfectly clean. Once baked, let your cupcakes cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them set properly before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. It's important they are fully cooled before you add any frosting or decorations. Now, you have perfectly moist and fluffy buttermilk cupcakes ready to be enjoyed. They are truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.